Pepper lower. Pepper and vinegar.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Trisha. Guys, when I do no makeup, but I'm yard, alright? So guys, I'll be on the call, so it's me alone and the kids are sleeping. So I'm gonna start to cook, right? Guys, if you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscription button down below. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's Trisha's Kitchen. I want to bake a fruit cake today, right? And I'm going to be doing a little twist on some cooking today. I'm going to be doing escovitch chicken. You never have escovitch chicken before, people? Well, I'm going to be doing some escovitch chicken. And the crackers is for my cake, my fruit cake, because I like putting crackers sieved in my fruit cake because it makes it taste so good. They give it a different flavor and they make it more refined, right? So these are some of my cake recipes. But right now, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be French frying the chicken. Because as I mentioned before, I'm going to be doing escovitch chicken. Guys, if you never do it before, and try it. You cut up a chicken like you have a curry it, you French fry it, and then you have your sauce. So this is my onions and my what is it? Yummy, very good. Pepper lower. Pepper and vinegar. So guys, I go French fry some chicken right now. Sorry, I want to do some festivals, people, but we don't have no cornmeal. I asked babe to see if we can get some. If not, I'm going to put a twist on the festival, people. With coconut flour, so we'll probably do coconut festival.
Guys, cooking new food for the first time, excites me.
So stay with me, people. I'll soon come back. I'm going to get my cooking. I just gotta put some liquor seasoning in my head. Yes, it's season time. So guys, what I'm gonna do? Stir this a little, right? I never tried escovitch chicken before I tried. Alright. Just season this just a little bit. I'm gonna wait till the oil well hot. Right? I'm just dip it in the egg first, people. And then the flour. Alright? That's how I like to French fry my chicken. See? Too much hair. Chicken then, right? French fried chicken, you know, people. This is the cracker for my my cake. I'm there do my thing. Good girl doing her thing, people. Guys, it's oven food. Oh, it smells so good. I've been fruits here I saw from last year October. But I've never blend it up. Okay, what it goes. Multitask here, girl, and multitask. No, I'm doing so too much more. Have a blend it just a little bit more. Let me just have a blend of everything. Guys, now please prep the chicken. We are tired. I'm not going to help me with the crackers. And I'm going to be cracking the eggs now. So I'm going to put everything together, people. Guys, I'm kind of busy. The chicken there. One of them is going wet. People are nice and pretty people. This is what I'm going for. Nice, crispy, and curly. Yes guys, the chicken them a bubble up. Hubby, that's it can meal for me. So I'm gonna make some festival. I will come and done my chicken. They done my chicken.
You come and done?
The chicken case.
It's nice.
Just nice. This is where we reach, guys, with the chicken. Soon done. Look nice. Yeah, so I'm still frying there. And Leo, taking time I eat up my chicken.
It's not I want to come out.
Because I eat up my chicken by the time.
The chicken nice, man.
By the time everything done, your appetite gone. Cause you know, take every minute you eat, don't.
So you go and people that cook you don't know.
No, let me taste it. Gone.
So what on there? How much chicken you eat?
It tastes good and it's soft, you know. A breast part. Yes guys, this is what the chicken is looking like. I'm gonna rub up my festival right now. When you hear me hubby, I'm gonna go up on the road again. For back to work, guys. It's part of it. What the chicken look like. Who can tell son of fish and a chicken? And me soon put in the festival them. Multitask, right? Guys, that's all make me check my oil. Guys, I have the perfect festival. Festival not take long, people. Right? I want it long and nice and fluffy. You have to ensure that the oil hot, right? You don't want the festival then. You don't want them I forgot to clean the stove and I stop the stove. So don't want them to be sucking in oil. Alright? I'm dropping in. Alright? So that's it. It's about 6 of them. I'm just making 12. I have more. We can do it for breakfast tomorrow. Right? You see this, them start change color already? This is what you want. Just watch them, turn them. Them floating up and soon come out. Stay with me, people. Teaching us.
Slow cook.
It's mother's bun, guys. It tastes better than a lot of bun. It's moist. It's not dry. And it's flavorful. It's just beautiful.
But not as good as my festivals.
Oh, you know them done? When the oil start bubble around them. Let me show you what man. When time you see this, you see them? So they're nice. When the oil start bubble around the festivals, right? Or the bubbling decrease, that's not how you know the cook. Alright, so I'm teaching you 1 and 2 things today, right? So that's 2 more. Guys, my family will cook. Everybody in my family can cook. And not can cook food delicious. That means guys, I'm gonna taste the festival. I'm gonna see how it tastes. I'm gonna bite it for now. Nobody knows nothing about the festival. The festival is very flavorful, sour, and delicious. This is it. Guys, you might see me, you might not see me a little later, right? But this is it for now. I might include you when we're baking. I hope you enjoy this soul video with me. Sam, bye.
Just good, people.